It's the 3rd of April, 2007. I'm Chris Manley. This is the newest Morel Report. We're going to start doing them on Tuesdays because I'm going to be on forays and festivals on the weekends, and it's impossible to do it on Saturdays. So from now on, they're going to be on Tuesdays. Lots going on this week. We've had 137 reports since the last report. The first one was North Mississippi. We had one on the 24th of March on North Mississippi. We've had more in Georgia. We had the Georgia motherlode this past weekend. Had real success with that. We had another one in South Carolina. We've had a couple in North Carolina, 2 or 3 in Virginia. We've had several more in Tennessee. We've had some in Kentucky. Southern Indiana, Southern Ohio. Believe it or not, we had a few black morel reports all the way up in Southern Michigan. Southern Illinois, several in Missouri, Arkansas. More in Texas. We had one in Dallas, just north of Dallas, Texas. Oklahoma is going wild right now. We've had big 5-inch rain, and there's just reports going all over the place in Oklahoma. We've also had reports in Northern California, and several reports coming in from Oregon, Southwest Oregon, and along the northwest part of Oregon. And also Washington, several reports, and even had a report all the way up here near Port Angeles, Washington, that's just right across the water from Victoria, British Columbia. So that's how far north they are coming on the west. This coming week, there's a big cool down coming, and it's expected to be freezing temperatures. Hopefully this, it's not going to, we may get some that has some frostbite on them, as cold as it's supposed to get. We're supposed to get low 30s all the way down into Georgia, so I'm sure it's going to be some freezing temperatures up in here. I've got the Knoxville foray coming up this coming weekend, and I'll do my next report on next Tuesday after the foray in Knoxville. But this coming week, you're looking at definitely more North Carolina, maybe the mountains of North Georgia, all through Tennessee, Kentucky, possibly West Virginia a little bit, definitely still Arkansas and Oklahoma. Missouri's coming on strong, Illinois is coming on strong. I think it might be another week or so before Iowa kicks in. Kansas, we're starting to get some reports of it'll continue on. Still going to be a while before Nebraska kicks in. And then some of the mountainous states out west, some of the valleys, they're starting to get some flowers blooming, so it's just a matter of time we'll get some reports there. And then, of course, the Pacific Northwest is going to be booming right now, and we'll probably get our first report from British Columbia, Canada this coming week. We'll see you next week. Enjoy the hunting.